That's for your birthday. You want to open it?
Yeah.
What do you think it is? Huh? Is it a birthday present?
Yeah.
This is from Grandma. From Grandma and Grandpa. Oh, it's even wrapped in birthday present. Paper. And wrapping paper. Oh, look. That's for you.
Sheesh.
Oh, are you going to open that up?
Yeah.
Come here, Garrett. Put it on the table. Hold on. Let's wait. Let's let Mama call Daddy in. See if he probably...
Pull hard. Good boy.
What do you think it is? Pull hard.
There's
Rip
one.
it
Throw
up.
that one down and go to the next one. Attaboy. Good job.
Rip it. Just tear it off of there. Some thick paper. And some good tape. There, now pull it. Rip it.
Good one.
Pull it all off. Rip it.
What is that, Garrett? Paper.
Good job. You did it.
What is that?
Let's see.
Holy
Come here.
moly.
Wait, come here. What is it? Is that a... It's a computer. What do you think?
Do you like that? Huh? You think that's pretty
Should we
neat?
take it out of the box?
Yeah.
I think it's a little computer, Garrett.
Is that a computer for you? That's your little laptop. You need some scissors or something?
Who is it? Elmo? Is that Elmo? Hi, Elmo. What a packaging. Who else is on there? Ernie. Elmo's kind of... He reminds me of Dan.
Oh, Dan?
Yeah, when he talks baby talk, he sounds like Elmo.
He drank his dad there, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good job.
Just little clips, honey. You can...
Garrett. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Can you tell Grandma thank you? Grandma and Grandpa? Look in the camera, say thank you. Tell them thank you for my computer. Where you go?